Hi, Fiona.
Hi, Lena. Wonderful to welcome you to our home.
Thank you for letting us coming here.
Oh, it's a pleasure. It's an honour.
Veganism is going big right now.
Yeah.
To save, the earth.
Yeah.
As well, very important things about you, because you run to raise money for your animal.
I do, yeah. And I run to promote veganism, that's why.
And I heard about you are the toughest woman ever in the UK.
I don't know about that, but
that's what they told me about you.
I lead a pretty hectic life, yeah.
They told me she's a very strong woman. She's vegan since she was 6 years old.
Vegan since I was 6 years old.
And even you had something in your life. You had a tumor.
Yeah.
You had knee replacement.
Yep. Knees, not even a replacement. I just had the kneecap removed. So
really?
That, running was not the first choice for me, in terms of I was told that I would never be able to walk properly again, let alone run, when I was a teenager, because of the multiple surgeries that I'd had.
Oh.
And some people say, well, why did you start running? I got the sanctuary, achieved what I thought was my ultimate goal, to have a place where I could take in and rehabilitate and rescue animals and give them a forever home. But after a few years, I realised that actually that's not addressing the reason that they're actually needing to be rescued. The industry out there needs to be tackled at source. And I was just being kind of reactive rather than proactive to a problem. So I thought, what can I do? What platform can I speak out for the animals? And this was before social media, so you had to kind of find a way of manipulating the mainstream media by getting them interested in you. Paula Radcliffe in the UK, she was doing phenomenally well in the marathon, and I thought at the time, if I could just compete in and hopefully complete a marathon, it just proves that as a long-time vegan, you can do anything, even the most extreme endurance event, as it was billed at the time.
Fiona, people think if you are vegan, you're not strong, you're not healthy.
Yeah, that's absolutely
It's the opposite. I know this because I'm vegan too.
Yeah,
and you run miles and miles and miles, and you are very fit, very healthy now.
Yeah. I mean, I've been doing this for decades. I mean, so yeah, I am very fit. I am healthy. I think everything combines with everything else. So I don't just run marathons. That's not solely exclusive what I do. I have a very arduous day outside at the sanctuary. I've been a firefighter, so that's kind of a very strenuous and physical profession in itself. My whole stance was that when I went out to promote veganism, I wanted to do it in a positive, peaceful and proactive way. And I didn't want to say that it would enhance your life. I was going to say it's not detrimental to doing anything. It's not stopping me from doing anything. I didn't plan to break world records. I didn't plan to place in the London Marathon.
To be in Guinness book as well.
Yeah, no, I mean, I didn't plan any of that. I mean, literally, I started off like anyone else. I will simply go out and see if I can jog. And the jog turned to running. And within 2 years, the grand plan of completing in a marathon, completing a marathon, turned into standing on the elite start line at the London Marathon next to Paula Radcliffe, who had originally inspired me by her prodigious success and the platform she had to actually go and place in the London Marathon. And I kind of did that for a few years, and I got a marathon PB of 2:38. And I realised that actually it's really, really hard effort, and I'm not probably getting what I want from it in terms of, I'm picking up, good results, but I'm not getting the interest from the media in terms of the veganism.